Hello everyone, welcome back to ServiceNow 911. I have a question for you. Have you used collection data type anywhere? Let's see how to use it. Let's go to dictionary. In dictionary, click on new, select the table. Let's say we select incident table and now select the type. Oops, we are not seeing any connection data type here. Calendar choice, color, condition, everything is there, but there is no collection. Why it is so? Interesting. It means that you cannot create a field which is of collection type. Let's check it in already existing table. Right click, configure, dictionary. Here you see collection type is available. But when we create a field which is of collection type, it is not creating. Let me show you why. Just look at the definition of collection. So it is saying that collection type represents the table rather than a field on a table. So it means that all the collection types are actually tables. It's not a field. Okay. You cannot create a field because it is already a table. And whenever you create a new table, a collection type will be created automatically. And remember that you cannot create more than one collection type field for a table. Okay. But let's open this. So whatever you apply on this collection record, it will be applicable to all the table. Let's check it. Click on read only, save it. Let's open an incident record. So you see everything is read only here. It means whatever you are applying here, it is applicable to all incident field, all incident table. This location is not read only because there may be some other rule which is prohibiting that particular update, but you see all other fields are easily read only because we made the changes here on the collection record. So it's why it is applicable to all. So I hope you understand the collection data type. It is important to know this feature because we rarely create a collection type, but we should know what it is and how it is impacting us. Thank you so much. Subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.